Assalamu alaikum. Today we have a very special person. He's new in this. He's learning. He's growing by the day. Let's see what he has to say. We have Suleiman Khan.
The barrister Suleiman.
Barrister Suleiman. He's not just a great personality and a person himself, but he's growing his new district, Frag district. So let's speak to him and let's see what he has to say about his journey and where he is, what he's doing. Assalamu alaikum, Suleiman.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. What a wonderful intro.
I think it's very basic what I said. It's just representing who you actually are. Yeah.
Thank you.
Such a wonderful personality. I haven't known you for long, but the time I've known you, gem of a person.
Alhamdulillah.
Gem of a person.
Likewise.
I'm thankful I got to cross paths with you.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
So, who are you, Suleiman Khan? What do you do?
To start off things, I'd say I belong to a very. I say this everywhere.
Okay.
I belong to a very small village in Charsada called Kaptan Kale.
Okay.
And currently I am a third year law student.
Okay.
So basically last year law student.
Okay.
I'm enrolled in University of London Law. And I have exams in 15 days.
I'm aware of that.
Yeah. Apart from that, I started this new venture of fragrances with the name of Frag District.
How did you get into fragrances and where did this come from? Like, is this a childhood thing or were you always fond of fragrances?
No.
How did it come to this point that you started your own page and your own venture of fragrances and whatnot? How do you come to this point?
It's a very good question, but the answer is it's a very cool story. No one would believe me saying this, but my nose started working like 2 months ago, I'd say.
Okay.
So 3 days before I started the business. So I have, it's not sinus, it's the other thing that when you have the waha,
Okay.
your posa. So I couldn't smell for the past 4 years.
Okay.
Like nothing.
Okay.
Full block. But
A blessing in disguise.
true.
Okay.
So how I started this business, I always had the opportunity to start this business because I don't know what to say. I don't know.
It's cut mat nishta.
Cut nishta.
Oh, ये part आएगी.
अच्छा, ये part लाओ.
ये part आएगी.
ये part लाओ. But I'd say how I started this business. So I have a cousin. You know him? Sayyid
Yusuf Shah.
Yeah. She's a very big frag head guy. Like very big frag.
His collection is just
Yeah,
beyond amazing.
Yeah. It's actually, I'd say, one of the best collection in the world. So he was always very fond of fragrances, and I grew up with that guy, but I was never very fond of fragrances. But recently,
Your nose started working?
my nose started working. I got myself checked up, and then Lalaji was my cousin. So I always had this opportunity with me because Lalaji helps me in a lot of ways because he's actually an official retailer for Bodesha and other big names. So I was like, I'd be very stupid not to, take advantage of this.
Opportunity. Not everyone has this opportunity.
Yeah. So here I am. Alhamdulillah, he helped me a lot, and yeah.
Not that you haven't had a long journey. You recently started.
Just like-
What do you think about the fragrance business or the whole concept of fragrances and
Before I started this business, I'll quote my throw. I don't know what a throw is called in
Uncle.
English. Uncle. So the story goes back to when I started not practicing but studying law. So my brother, I'll say this in Pashto, I went up to my brother and I was like, I want to become a lawyer. So my brother said to me, "Chij, kaani uchat ke land dete wakil nasti," meaning there are a lot of lawyers.
Yeah.
I was very disheartened because I wanted to become a lawyer. So I called my uncle up, and he's a very fauji guy. He used to be principal of Kohat Cadet College. So I called him up and I was like, "Aslam Lala, Arsalan said this to me," and his answer actually opened my eyes. I'll connect all these
Dots.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was like, "Aslam Lala, Arsalan told me XYZ Chikani Uchat ke land ho wakil nasti." He was like, "Have you ever been on Ring Road recently?" I was like, "Yeah." "Amatawi, have you seen all those people selling tomatoes?" "Yes." "You told kharasigi." "It doesn't matter, dude. You have go for it." Or as I picked it up, chakha, like a zamam, I can also become a lawyer. I'll also get clients and stuff. Then when I was stepping into this fragrance world, there are a lot of big names. Like big names, big ass brands, and they have this beautiful shops and stuff. I had nothing. But suddenly Aslam Lala's thing clicked again. Chera, tomato khudar cha kharsi. So here I am. Like I'd say it has been only 40 or 50 days. But it's going very good around there.
This is you speaking about Frag District. I'm not talking about the Frag District. I'm talking about the fragrance business in its entirety.
Oh,
In its entirety, what you think about the fragrance business?
it's surprising, Hamza. So back in COVID, I asked Lalaji, "How's the business going right now?" And he was like, it surprised him too because the whole world stopped hours ago. And Lalaji was like, surprisingly, people are still buying perfumes. So I'd say it is an addiction actually.
It is.
Once you start collecting them, you can't go back then. Yeah, that's about it. About the business, I'd point out some issues in Pakistan that people face, and I'm here to, eliminate those issues. So one thing I noticed in Pakistan, or the people that want to buy fragrances in Pakistan, that the issue they're facing is that they want to buy an authentic perfume, but they're struggling to get it. They're not struggling to get it, but they can't trust anyone.
For obvious reasons. There's a lot of fake sellers out there.
Exactly.
किसी का दिमाग नहीं मानेगा ना. You can go to कारखानों and you see everything. You're like, what the hell? मतलब थोड़ा से बंदे के दिमाग में आ जाता है ना कि यार शायद एक तो बीच में से असली हो तो, and they're selling it dirt cheap as well. So it's understandable.
No, that's the main issue in this whole business, and I'm here to eliminate that issue. And how am I doing that? By showing my face. I'm not making the typical content that people used to make or still make, just by showing their hands. So I'm basically the frontman of my business over there. So people can
I think
trust
that's
me.
very, very necessary in the niche you're in, because you have a lot of repeat customers as well. एक दफ़ा एक बंदा जो सेंट का शौकीन है वो हमेशा ही रहेगा, और वो एक लेता है तो दूसरा लेगा, तीसरा लेगा.
And I also feel like जो बंदा तुमसे लेते है he's a billboard. वो फिर जाके आप सब किसी को बोलेंगे कि I bought from Suleiman. और one thing else that I noticed is people are willing to give you 10,000-15,000 rupees extra just so that you can give them a surety that it's real.
Yeah.
साढ़े 40,000 rupees और कहती 45 दे वाली को यार अच्छी है
Actually,
it's a tricky one. Let's see where life takes us.
So you're kind of walking in the footsteps of your Lala.
True.
He did dentistry and he got into perfumes, and you're doing wakalat and you're getting into perfumes.
Yeah.
Nice. So they say कि Sunatam de, the perfume car. Sunat de ka, I don't want to get myself wrong in putting the fake hadith ko. It's a very beautiful business to walk into.
True.
What are the problems you have faced till date? Any fun story you've come across?
Yeah. So the main problem that I used to face back when I started like a month ago, it was because of the prices that I used to give to people. People doesn't understand why, I'm not saying that I'm selling these perfumes at a dirt cheap price.
You're selling them cheaper than boutique.
Yeah, I don't want to name drop, cheaper from XYZ. Why? Because I don't have a shop, I don't have bills, and secondly, I buy in bulk. But people doesn't understand this. They say, how can you sell below retail? I try to explain to people, when you buy a carton of Pepsi, there you go. You're already, if you can already sell a single Pepsi bottle below retail.
Yeah.
Why? Because, for instance, if a Pepsi carton has 6 bottles, and if you go to a shop and buy a single bottle, he'll sell it to you for 100 rupees. But if you buy the whole carton, he'll give it to you for 550. Which means you can automatically now sell these bottles for 90.
You're getting them at retail, where the wholesaler is taking into consideration you're probably having a shop and you have bills and expenses to pay, and you don't have that.
I don't have.
So your margin is coming out from there.
Yeah. So that's the first issue that I used to face, but I've overcome that because the trust factor is now kicking in.
Yeah, obviously, because I see your consistent posting that it does make a difference.
True.
It does make a difference. It proves credibility. It's not, and plus on your page, it's not just you. You have people around you as well, so they're also taking part in your credibility. Yeah, I know this guy. He's honorable. He's this and that.
One other thing I'd like to mention is that it's not related to perfumes or anything. It's about life. I'd say in life you have to make good friends.
Very crucial. Very crucial.
I'd say the best friends that a person can get is from their school time. Why? Because they don't get to see the car that you drive, the phone that you have.
They're very unbiased. उसमें कोई bias नहीं होती, कोई मतलब नहीं होता, कुछ absolutely nothing. I agree.
And I'm saying this because so my routine consists of me going to college and just playing squash and hanging out with my friends. And I started this perfume business. Hamza, not a single friend of mine came up to me and was like, Tasake. Each and every single one of them supported me. They've been in my videos. They asked me to make videos. So I came to a realization that in life, friends actually are very important. If you're lucky to find some.
Yeah, definitely. But I think school friends, no doubt, they're the best. They have a different place. But the friends you make along your journey in life, they're very important as well. You can't just forget them as well. Every person that you meet, every person that you come across, they each serve their own purpose and role. It's not just a crossing of paths. No, there's a purpose behind it. There's some hidden purpose. Only God knows what it is. Like how I met you, it was the oddest amongst them all. Like how on earth does...
I think we met at your thing, right?
No. It was volleyball. Didn't you come for volleyball? You did come for volleyball.
At your place?
Yeah.
No, but we did meet before that. Munal,
yes. Munal. But that didn't register. Honestly, that wasn't registered in my mind. It was when you came for volleyball that got me stringing. So everything has a purpose. Us sitting here, this has a purpose as well. We don't know it. For us, we're shooting a podcast. It can't be as simple as... There's a hidden meaning behind everything. Every single step you take, every single word you spit out, it has an alternative.
True.
Did you get criticism? Because I got this from people when I shared your very first post where you shared someone else's collection, Lala's collection. How much criticism do you get for that? Because I sent it to someone and he was like, ये तो किसी और की collection है, ये तो इस बंदे की हो ही नहीं सकती. I was like, bro, I don't know.
No. This is it. Surprisingly, I got no criticism for it, primarily because of the fact because I wasn't portraying it as my own collection.
Okay.
I texted Lala to send me his picture and he was like, why? I was like, instead of using some random guy's collection, I'd rather use yours. So if someone says, oh, that's not your collection, I'd be like...
I never said it was.
Yeah, it's not mine. It's just a background. But it wasn't officially used on my page though. It was just a story on my private account, which my Friends reshare.
Oh, okay. So it's never been on Frag
No,
District.
never.
Okay.
So
Very nice.
until this podcast, I'm trying to make a personality of my own. I'm not trying to use Lala's name.
Obviously.
So the people that know him, it's an instant gain for me and an instant plus for me because they trust me instantly.
Yeah. He's your mentor.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're not trying to copy his name or steal his name, but you're from what I see, you're probably inspired by that.
True.
That dude.
As
Really,
one should be.
I met him, ages ago. He
You were
was-
surprised.
I was surprised. Yeah.
And I told you where he is in life.
Yeah. I was surprised. So, if paths do ever cross, so he seems like a person to have a conversation with.
True,
So
very
the
well
story
spoken,
you told me of him. So I'm sure-
I'll tell you a short story of him.
Hmm.
If any of the people watching this video, if they are frag heads, they'll know there's a brand called Bodacia.
Hmm.
So Bodacia is a very high-end perfume brand. Like I'd say even more expensive than Louis Vuitton. Their perfume retails at somewhere around 150 to 350, 450 PKR. Allah the idne ki galat hai. Lalaji collaborated with them, with that brand Bodacia, and they made a perfume for Pakistan.
Damn. No way.
Iman, I think it's called Iman or Faith by Bodacia the Victorious. And that have a Faisal Masjid on it. And it was limited. It was exclusive. मुझे पता भी नहीं कि कितने bottles थे. But now they're all gone.
Now that we're speaking of fragrances, I never intended on speaking on fragrances on this podcast, but now that we've come down that path, what do you think of J Dot and their fragrance
Zabardast.
market?
Zabardast. I'd say it's very good.
Okay.
Because buying a perfume, like, let's say if I wasn't doing the business, no, it's very difficult for me to go out and buy a perfume worth 100,000 rupees. Like a yo lakh rupees bani.
If you're not a collector.
Yeah, like a. So J Dot has this perfume called Janan Platinum, which is a very good dupe of Louis Vuitton Imagination. So Louis Vuitton Imagination, not retails, but you can find one in Pakistan for around 140, 150. And you get the same perfume and everything for, I don't know, 7,000-8,000 rupees. So I think J Dot is it's good. It's very good.
Fair enough. Do you have something to say? I was asking the questions here, but is there anything that you want to add? Something you want to speak about? Something? Do you have any questions for him? Something. Why hasn't he tasted lipstick till yet?
Still waiting.
Still waiting.
Waiting, yeah.
Waiting for the right one.
Yeah, I haven't been lucky.
Oh, that sucks. No, it has its own. Not that I've
and
ever.
cons.
No, I've never tried it. I don't know how lipsticks taste either, but I've heard it has its own taste.
Ha.
मैंने कभी नहीं ट्राई किया ऐसी मैं क्यों गलत बात
This is a try, Kamsuba.
That's me. You should, as a man, you should. Practice makes a man perfect. You gotta train yourself for the lucky one, man.
I'll take that into consideration.
Yeah. So, do you have something to add to it?
No. I think
anything. Absolutely anything.
I don't know what should I talk about.
It doesn't have to be related. It can be related to, say, squash. It can be related to, say, what a beautiful sunset. It can be related
I'd
to
say-
what a beautiful man sitting behind the camera.
This I disagree with. He's ugly. I'd say, if I don't think so. If I'm in a position to tell someone to do anything, but I'd say if someone is younger than me, as an older brother, I'd say get your life straight. As in, make yourself a routine. Maybe go to school, play some football, cricket afterwards, and don't get yourself into drugs. I've seen people doing
नहीं
their
नहीं
lives.
बड़ा ड्रग्स है वो अच्छी चीज है छोड़ करने
आजा,
दे
आजा।
जीने दे यार ये
आजा।
तो क्या खुद कर लिया आप औरों को कह रहे कि ना कर ये देख जरा
Astaghfirullah.
नहीं देख मैं ये कहता हूँ ड्रग्स वाली बात तेरी 100% वो बिसाइड्स वो तो हर बंदे का अपना दीन ईमान है आई वुड से कि स्टे हम्बल यार,
आह
स्टे हम्बल।
जबरदस्त
क्या
अखलाक
मतलब, हाँ
अखलाक
दैट्स व्हाट मैटर्स। बाकी बंदा नशे तमाशे जो भी करते हैं जिंदगी के साथ करता रहे, लेकिन एक दूसरे के साथ अच्छा ताल्लुक रखो ना, कि नहीं?
जबरदस्त ना दिस आई एग्री विद
मतलब नशे, स्टे अवे फ्रॉम ड्रग्स, व्हाई? So I must stay away from drugs. Why?
I have a reason for that because
What?
I've seen people, you know,
Hmm.
I've seen people ruining their lives. But the thing that you're saying,
Hmm.
I'll add a short story to it. Back when I started going to Edwards College, उधर ये चीज़ें बड़ी ज़्यादा होती हैं. School life में मैंने कभी देखी नहीं हुई. But when I saw people doing stuff का ना, जमाज़ लो भाई ये दो. ये क्या था सकल cigarettes की ना स्वार अच्छी. फिर coming back to your point, I reached to a certain point in my life where if someone was, you know, someone comes up to me and says, oh, don't talk to that guy, he's a druggie, he's alcohol, शराब की whatever. ज़मा जवाब बताओ चखादा शराब की हो अलग सिंगर. No, yeah, you're right. अखलाक, I'd say अखलाक.
Drug, उसका भी एक एलिमेंट होता है इन शेपिंग योर पर्सनालिटी, लेकिन बस ज़रूरी बात ये है कि नशे भी अच्छे होते हैं अपने टाइम पे, अपने टाइम पे करो।
सारी
हाँ,
चीज लिमिट में अच्छी लगती है।
लिमिट में अच्छी लगती है।
सब
अगर
कम लिमिट के वाया.
तो मतलब नशे करो अपने टाइम पे करो। अगर चलो तुम कोई, अक्सर स्कूल कॉलेज में लोग शुरू कर देते हैं ना, तो बस करो स्कूल कॉलेज तक ही करो। बस फिर जब आप प्रोफेशनल लाइफ आ रहे हो तो देन यू नीड टू गेट आउट ऑफ इट, बिकॉज यू नो दैट्स इट्स गोना गेट यू टू द डिजास्टरस।
बिल्कुल 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 बिल्कुल.
तो चल ये है, एनीथिंग एल्स? दैट्स इट, बस नशे मत करो, बस दैट्स इट।
और हम्बल रहो।
humble रहो।
अखलाक.
और परफ्यूम लगाओ कि नहीं?
डिपेंड्स.
ना लगाओ,
ना दिल करते तो लगा.
वरना मत लगाओ। अच्छा, अतर के बारे में तेरा वैसे क्या ख्याल
यार
है?
मैं तो कहता
ये
हूँ बंदे से कोई ना कोई खुशबू तो आनी चाहिए.
सही है,
जिसका बिन देने से
सही है,
नहा लिया करो, वो भी बहुत है.
सही है।
ये ना स्मेल डिफाइंस योर पर्सनैलिटी।
ट्रू.
लेकिन व्हाट इफ आई से कि मुझे स्वेटिंग का प्रॉब्लम है, मैं अब क्या करूं?
वो तो तेरा एक इशू है ना।
हाँ, तो ये
लेकिन
तो
तुझे इशू है तो तुझे चाहिए कि तू अपनी एनवायरनमेंट का ख्याल रख। तेरा एनवायरनमेंट पे अच्छा असर नहीं पड़ेगा।
देखो मेरी जब से नाक काम करना शुरू हुआ,
मैं दिन में 3 दफा नहाता हूँ,
बस खत्म.
लेकिन बस फिर भी मुझे इस तरह लगता है मेरे ऊपर परफ्यूम चिपकता नहीं है। इसका क्या इलाज है?
कपड़ों पे लगा दिया करो.
कपड़ों पे लगाओ, जो पल्स पॉइंट्स हैं इन पे लगाओ।
हाँ उस पे
तो
लगा.
इधर से तो उड़ जाता है।
अपने साथ रखो ना, बस 1-2 घंटे
तो वो
बाद
मिलता है,
fresh कर
ट्रैवल मिलता है वो छोटा सा,
हम्म।
पॉकेट में लेके घुमा.
बड़ा इतना दिल का जोर, कुछ ले आओ। थैंक यू वेरी मच। दुआओं में हमें ज़रूर याद करना मोमिन दुरानी। मुझे इसमें एक प्यारी सी बीवी चाहिए, प्यारी सी ना हो, अच्छी हो, प्यारी म्यारी। हाँ, अखलाक, प्यारी म्यारी खैर देखी जाएगी, कोई बोटॉक्स शोटॉक्स
What's
करा
your
देंगे उसके लिए।
thoughts about like getting married, or I'd say
It's a very deep topic.
love marriage or arranged marriage?
अरेंज,
क्यों?
एनी डे एवरी डे।
क्यों? I agree with this by the way. वैसे तुम्हारी रीजनिंग
क्यों?
पूछना चाह रहा हूँ.
क्योंकि प्यार तो वो है जो मिले ना,
हाँ.
तो लव मैरिज ही कैसे हो सकती है? प्यार तो है ही वो चीज़ जो कि अधूरी रह जाए। अगर उसको कंप्लीट कर दिया तो आपने तो प्यार का चैप्टर ही क्लोज कर दिया।
So मोमेना. अच्छा.
हाँ?
फिर भी let's say if one is lucky,
If one is lucky.
करना चाहिए.
तेरा no one is lucky बड़ा।
अच्छा इसको इसका ज़रा मुंह दिखा दो कि कौन क्या है. मोमेंट से नो वन.
कोई प्यार मोहब्बत कुछ नहीं है।
मैं तो कहता हूँ कोई मानता नहीं है।
अच्छा.
मुझे भी रियलाइज है।
हाँ?
इसको भी रियलाइज है. मैं आई एग्री विद बोथ ऑफ यू, लेकिन मैं पूछना चाह रहा हूँ if one.
अरेंज मैरिज अच्छी है ना,
अच्छा.
सेहत के लिए अच्छी है। हाँ,
मैं पहले नहीं मानता।
आई थिंक मेरा अपना कंक्लूजन ये, फ्रॉम अ गर्ल्स पर्सपेक्टिव लव मैरिज
अच्छा.
एवरी डे एनी डे,
Hmm.
फ्रॉम अ गाइस पर्सपेक्टिव अरेंज मैरिज एनी डे एवरी डे। लेकिन मेरा एक और भी शौक है, बड़े अरबियों वाले शौक है मेरे।
2-3.
हाँ 3 होनी चाहिए।
यार मैनेज कैसे करोगे?
तो वो आपस में एक दूसरे को मैनेज करती रहेंगी ना, 3 की खासियत ही है।
ये भी है.
हाँ?
अरेंज मैरिज में सिर्फ जो एक मुझे एक वो नहीं होता, एक ट्रॉमा जो है यार, व्हाट इफ तुम्हें नहीं पता कि उसकी लाइफ में क्या हुआ है क्या नहीं।
This you don't ask them.
You don't even ask me.
Just to be sane, you
अच्छा,
don't.
मैंने ये चीज़ पूछी थी कि इस्लाम में कहते हैं कि
पास्ट का
पास्ट का तुम अगर तुमने उसको तसल्ली देनी है तो तुम झूठ भी बोल सकते हो
हाँ
अपनी बीवी
हाँ
के लिए।
हाँ
ऐसा है कुछ?
मतलब
आई
बताना
कांट
तो
कंफर्म और डिनाई, मुझे
बताना तो ज़रूरी नहीं है, ये तो आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट। नहीं नहीं नहीं, एंड फॉर बोथ पार्टीज, मतलब उसको भी नहीं बताना ज़रूरी और तुझे भी नहीं बताना।
वो बताना चाहिए भी नहीं।
Guys,
Alright, take care, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।